I'm gonna team up with you, Chef. Wait a sec! It was Levi! Oh god! It's me, Wiener Sack! Wiener! Sack!
This is not new drill. This is not new drill. Please stand by. Swami is gonna speak over to the station and teach him. Please stand by for this message. Please stand by for this message. Please stand by for this message. This is an 80s Jackson notification. All broadcast center. Cable center. Or sounds for ABC. Road center. Doing this ABC. All broadcast center. Near to the body sign area. This is KR TV. NBIZIO-TV. We will disturb the New York City area. You are not in this local area. You are restricted by in this local area. You are listening to the ABC Road System serving the New York City area. Do not use your telephone. These telephone lines will be kept open with the ABC use. The ABC works was at the day. The following message transmitted at the request of the United States government. That the comet is expected to hit in the next 30 minutes. This is the device situation. All in the countryside we bust to seek a fire shelter. Fire fuss out the nuclear attack. Alarm the explosion fire for certain death. Straight to bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery power radio in your journey. The last for you and your family and friends her last 5 days. Swami's gonna. 2. I'm going to evacuate so I don't die. I will be safe on the worst case scenario. This is not new drill. I repeat, this is not new drill. This is happening of the world. So to evacuate. This comet is expected to hit like in New York City in a couple minutes. Hours in this countryside we pass to seek a fire shelter. Stay tuned, one of the Mason on this dangerous situation.